Okay, so the tree is down. You see, the tree is down. Chainsaw. Yeah, got it done. One more to go. To the tree. Yeah, that's a big tree. That's a big tree, you see? It's 3 in 1. Oh, alright, so that's my chainsaw right there. It's a super chainsaw right there. Nothing fancy, just a pull and throw. But it did the job. And when you chop this tree down, and I need to drop that tree right there. So before I chop it, I'm going to drop that tree down, see if I can get him down. But that's a big tree right there. See, almost came to the garage right there. I move my cars so it doesn't get crushed or squished. See, that's a huge tree right behind me. I'm gonna chop it up and use for firewood. You can have the firewood for the whole year and more. So one more to go. We have one more guy to go. I'm gonna pull that guy over and we'll be done. And that's the winch. The winch that I hooked up to the tree to pull it. Right there. It's a little winch, but it's very powerful. It's all physics. You see? It's all physics. That's the battery for the winch. And see, that's the remote. That's the remote for the winch. Push the button, it goes in. You see that? That's called a winch right there. It's very powerful. It'll pull anything. It'll pull a truck. You can pull a tree. At least pull it to help you. I blocked my tire so it doesn't roll. And it's my old truck. It's a super duper truck. It's a farm truck. Specialized farm truck. Alrighty. One more to go. Alright. So wish me luck. I'm going to do the other one. One more trunk. Will be done. I'm going to cut this and maybe leave it some parts for the kids to climb because they like to climb. So I'm going to leave it like that a little bit. So let them have fun climbing the tree. It'll be a good ninja training for them to climb this tree. So I'm going to leave it and let the kids climb and have fun like I had fun when I was a kid. Climbing those big trees and coconut trees, mango trees and stuff like that. That's a lot of fun.